Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and AI. Okay, now in this video I will be creating an e-commerce sales dashboard very similar to this one. Although this one is not properly aligned, now the dashboard I'll be creating, I'll make sure that one is pretty much neat and clean, and it's it's in fact I would say that I'll prepare a dashboard which is pretty much appealing and attractive. Okay, all right, so let's start with our dashboard. I have already uploaded the data set. So the first step what I'm going to do is I'll make sure that I will change the color of the page. I'll go to this option, format your report page, then wallpaper, you have the color. Now, in the meanwhile, I would like to inform you that I'm relatively new to the field of Power BI. Okay, so my dashboard making skills is something I would say pretty basic, and I still would have lot many things to learn in Power BI. All right, but I would say that I'm definitely enjoying um, creating dashboards on Power BI. All right, so this is the color. I'll select this one. Right, it's looking neat and cool. Now I'll insert the text box which will act as the header for our report. And now what I will do is I will see to it that now this is getting extended till here. All right, and I will minimize this a little bit. Okay, now in the effects section I'll go to background and I will change this color. See, the color has been changed. Now we'll enable the title and write the title here. I want e-commerce sales dashboard, and I will select the font type to be Arial black because this is you know professional and at the same time attractive. This is my preferred choice of fonts mostly. I'll enable the, in fact I will increase the font size. You can do this here, and I will make sure that it is aligned in the center. Okay, perfect. Right, all right, so now let's place our cards. I'll see to it that this is getting minimized. All right, in the field section we have the sales. Okay, and I will format this because we do not have the heading. Right, I'll go to general, select the background color. Let's say I want this one. All right, and now I'll change the color of call out value, which is nothing but the numbers that you can see here. Select this one. Okay, once again I'll go to general and I will click on title, enable it, and write the text. I'll select the font as Arial black, total total sales. Increase the font size, and I'll ensure that this is placed in the center. Okay. Let me increase the font size a little bit. Okay. Text color will be white. Call out value. I'll increase the font size for this as well. Okay, pretty cool. All right. Now I'll place another card. And I'll see to it that the formatting is the same for this one. Here now we need the total profits. Alright, and once again I'll go to format visual. In general, in effects section we have the color, background color. We will change it, and I'll change to this one. Okay, and then call out value, I need the color to be black. Cool, right? Okay, in general, once again I will enable the title, and I'll type total profit. Increase. No, I think the heading is properly aligned, and I'll change the text color to black. I think this is pretty much okay right now. Once again, in the call out value, change it to Arial black. And I'll do the same thing for this particular card as well. Call out value needs to be Arial black. Okay, so this has been taken care of, and now we need the shipping cost. What is the total shipping cost? Once again, I'll place the same card, and I'll see to it that the formatting is pretty much in sync with this one. So I'll go to the data set to find where do we have the shipping cost. Here we have. I'll place it here, and this time I'll change another color for this particular visual. Format your visual, general, effects, the background color, I need something else. I'll go to more colors, you can select the color for your liking. Which color do you like the most? I think this makes sense. I'll stick with this one. type the title, total shipping cost. Let me do one thing. Right. I think this is looking pretty good. Alright, so now next will be our pie chart. And this one, I'll still make sure that the cards are pretty much adjacent to each other. Okay, perfect. Alright, now we need sales by country, right? So this will be the pie chart. I'll select the country and place it in legends. And then the sales, I'll place this in values. I think something is not proper. First I will add sales here, and then I'll add country. Okay, perfect. Now I'll click on sort option. You can see the three dots and sort axis, sort descending. All right. Now you can see there are 5 countries which are the, you know, leading countries when it comes to sales. So we have United States at the number 1 position, followed by Australia, and then France, China, and Germany. So what I will do is click on filters and filter only those countries who are in the top 5. United States, Australia, France, China, and Germany. Cool. What I will do is I will ensure that there is a heading for this particular pie chart as well. Click on general, click on title, sum of sales by country, right? Sales by country, top 5 countries. That should be the appropriate heading. top 5 countries. Once again, select the font as Arial Black, increase the font size. And I'll place the heading in the center. Okay, perfect. Now we'll do the similar thing by region. I'll place another pie chart. I'll change the alignment for these two charts. Okay. Once again, I'll place sales in values, and then we have the region this time in legend section. I'll click on sort axis, click on sort descending, and then in fact I have this particular thing for my reference. All right, so we have Africa, APAC, Canada, EMEA, EU, Latin America, US. So I'll go to filter, I'll select on these, EMEA, Oceania, Central and Central Asia, North Asia. I think we're done with this. And you guess it right, I will change the title. Top, no, I'll click it as sales by region. Change the font type to Arial Black and increase the font size. And I'll place it in the center. Okay. Now one thing I happen to realize, right? Here we have the quantities ordered. We don't have that one here. So obviously I'll place that. Okay. I think this is looking cool. And we need another card for total quantities ordered. We have the quantity option here. I'll I'll drag it and place it in fields. Okay. Format, visual. What color do I need? Click on general, FX. or should I go for this option? I think this sounds better. Okay. Alright. Once again, I will enable the title here and click the title as total quantities ordered. Change the font type to Arial Black. Increase the font size. I'll see to it that it is getting placed in the center. Okay. It seems that something is not right. Um, Increase the font size. Okay. All right. I think this is sound. This is looking better. Go to callout value. Click on bold. I think it should be perfect now. All right. I think we are good to go. And now we need category wise sales. I'll select clustered column. And X axis I'll place category, and before that I'll place sales in Y axis, and then in X axis we will have the category. Alright, you can see the technology is leading, followed by furniture, then office supplies. Alright, now we'll have a tree map that will help us with the sales by state. So once again I'll place sales in the values option, and then in category I will have say states. Scroll it down. Here you can see. All right. So I do know that which are the leading states. In fact, I would say just to cross check this with this, there is California, New York, New South Wales, Queensland, and Illinois. Select these thing here. California, New York, New South Wales, then we have Queensland, and finally we have Illinois. All right. Click on this particular option and then once again format the visual. The title is enabled sales by state. Top 5 states. And in the bracket I will write sales. Change the font type to Arial Black. Increase the font size. Now I think it became extremely bigger. Reduce the font size. Alright, I think the alignment is looking pretty okay right now. Um, Alright, now what I'll do is I mean, we are not done with the dashboard yet. There are a few more things that I would like to add. Uh, Alright, we have to change the background color for the pie chart, right? So that it looks pretty attractive. Let's go to format the visual and then I'll go to effects. What color do we need? I think yellow should be appropriate. Or I think I'll go with this one. No, I'm not happy with this color, so I'll go by another color. I think this should be okay. And here, once again, I'll change the color for this one as well. I think this looks pretty better. Right. All right. Now, finally, we'll have the key influencers, and that will help us in explaining, like, which one has impact on which particular value. What do I mean by that is, you know, if there is certain thing that is affecting the profits or the sales, we can analyze that using the key influencers. It's known as key influencers. Okay, we analyze. Let's say if I want to analyze a profit, right? And we want to explain this by sales. So it will perform the analysis. Click on focus mode. It's still doing the analysis. It will take some time. So it says that if the sales is more than this particular number, then the profit increases by this particular number. Or let's say if I want to analyze by, I think this is distracting us. All right. If I want to analyze by shipping cost, I'll cancel this and I'll place shipping cost here, explain by shipping cost. We'll do the analysis. So it says that if the sum of shipping costs is more than this, then the profit increases. This will help us in increasing the management, or maybe let's say the other way around, which what causes the profit to decrease. If the shipping cost is less than this, then the profit decreases by this particular number. So, what it's trying to explain is that, this particular factor has impact of almost 29%. And all right. So this was the entire e-commerce sales dashboard. We can see that the total sales is for 12.64 million. I would say approximately 13 million. The total profit is 1.47 million. This will be in millions of dollars, right? And then the shipping cost is 1.35 million dollars. Total quantities ordered 178,000. Then we have the total top 5 countries. We have the United States leading the chart, followed by Australia. The United States is at 42.46%, and that has a sales of, I would say, 2.3 million. Yes, followed by Australia, which is at 17.1%, and it's 0.93 million. I would say approximately 1 million. Then next we have France at 15.87%, and it's at 0.86 million, followed by China, and then lastly we have Germany. So let's look at sales by region. We have a central region leading the chart, followed by North, Oceania, North Asia, and EMEA, Africa. So let's look at category wise: technology, has given the most sales, followed by furniture, and then followed by office supplies. And then we have top 5 states. So California is the most profitable state with a sales of 457,687, followed by New York at 310,876. New South Wales is at the third position, which is given a sales of 270,487, followed by Illinois at 80,166, and lastly we have Queensland at 238. No, I think I'm so sorry. The Queensland is at the fourth position, 238,312, followed by Illinois at the last, 80,166. And then we have the key influencer factors. All right, so I hope that you found this video helpful enough. So thank you so much for patiently watching the video, and I'll be uploading more videos related to data analytics and AI on this particular channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.